This Pedagogy Premiere is part of a series focused around language activities which can be used in class to introduce and practice a wide variety of vocabulary. For simplicity, in each video the activity will be explained and modelled using one language. The key vocabulary for other languages is then shared at the end of the video. This activity is called I want. In this activity, we will be using the phrase
Ich möchte
to have a conversation. Working in pairs, the participants will take turns to ask for, receive, and say thank you for an item. For example, person 1 begins.
Was möchtest du?
Person 2 then responds,
Ich möchte
adding the name of an item. For example,
Ich möchte einen Kuli.
person 1 then locates the item and offers it to person 2, saying,
Hier.
Person 2 then takes the item, saying,
Danke.
The two people would then swap roles and repeat the activity, taking the opposite role. We can do this obviously with classroom objects as illustrated here, but we could also use other objects, images of objects or colours, or numbers even, to help us practice different vocabulary. In fact, we can use this approach to build simple conversations using any vocabulary which takes a question and answer form. The 5 sentence builders are constructed with this in mind, so they usually take the form of a question followed by an answer, so they can be used in this way. This approach is important because it encourages our learners to develop their conversational skills and their literacy skills in the language, not simply learn a list of words. They're actually able to use the vocabulary they're learning to communicate. So in French, person 1 asks,
Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais?
Person 2 responds,
Je voudrais un crayon, s'il te plaît.
Person 1 offers the object, saying,
Voilà.
and person 2 says thank you.
Merci.
While in Spanish, person 1 starts, ¿Qué quieres? Person 2 asks, Quiero un lápiz, por favor. Person 1 gives the object, and person 2 says, Gracias. And finally, person 1 says, De nada. Thank you for watching this Pedagogy Premiere. We hope you found it useful.